Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could create projects, sub-projects, and clients for your team. So all you need to do is go to your dashboard, go under time tracking, and you'll have the projects and clients section here. All you need to do is click on it and go to your projects. Now I have a few already assigned projects, but in case I want to create a new project, all I need to do is just create a new project from here. So I'll just run through how you could create a project. So all you need to do is just assign it a name. Let's say Project ZX. You could also add a project description for your team to know what this project is about, and just a quick summary about the project. Next, you have the option of also tying it up with a client. So one thing to note here is that whenever you click create a client can't be mapped. So they are always active for all the employees. So if different employees have different client work, you could use projects, or you should reach out to the support team. So say I create a new client, I assign it a name, client ZX. You also have an option of assigning it an hourly rate, because AttendanceBot automatically calculates the complete billable amount for a client based on the hours worked on the tied up project. So yeah, let's assign it an hourly rate of $5, and you could click on create client. Next, what you need to do is just select from the client list. Uh, then you have two options of assignment. So you have self-assign, where the project will be visible to all members of your organization, and any of them can assign themselves to this project. And the other option is managed assign, where the admins or the managers could create projects and assign it to the employees. Assignment can be done by admins only. So let's go ahead and select manage assign here. Now you need to add employees. So you could select the employee's name, or just use batch addition, where you could filter it out using departments. So let's say I assign it to John Doe, and I just click on create project. So this would build the project here. Next, if I need to add a few sub projects to it, so all I need to do is just click on the arrow again, uh, click on sub projects here, and I could create different sub projects. So again, I could assign the name, let's name it sub project ZX. You could also add a description again, and if you want to add any other employee, you could also do that, and just click on sub projects, right? And that's how easily you could create sub projects here. Yeah, so that's how easy it is to create projects and assign it to your employees. So that whenever they punch in, they'll get an option of selecting between the projects, and they could start recording the hours on the project.
Next, I am going to talk about project tracking. So we have a project tracking section here where you could come and view the project data. So first you have the project view where you could select the project, select the date range for which you want to check how many hours have been given to this particular project. And you could also filter it out using sub-projects. So yeah, this would give you the data of all the employees involved, the total hours, and also the employee-wise hours given to this particular project. You also have a breakdown of stats showing you the individual hours given to this particular project by all the employees. And then you also have the graph basically showing a daily, weekly, and monthly view of total hours given to this particular project. You could select from all the projects that are available. And next, you also have the employee view on the projects. So here you could select the employee's name, and it would give you all the projects that he is involved in. And you could also filter it out using date range. And again, a breakdown of stats of each of the projects and the hours given by this particular employee to those projects. And also a quick graph on daily, weekly, and monthly view of the total hours given on different projects by this particular employee. If you want a more detailed report, you could download the project report that we have. That would have a more detailed view of all the punches given on all the days for each of the projects. And that report would also have the total billable amount for the clients because the AttendanceBot automatically calculates that for you. And it would also have the total hourly wage of the employee if you have set the hourly wage for your employees. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you and have a good day.